Alright, it's enough for now. Oh, how dusty is my console again. My god, this thing is open, and the dust can easily fall into the console. I should do something with that, so my PS5 can live longer. Okay, now let's get started. I made a sketch from an imported photo, and then made a cover for my PS5. I like the design, and this will fit perfect on the top of it. I'm using Bamboo Studio as a slicer, and after the settings, I oriented the cover for the best outcome. Looks fine. Next is the printing process. It came out beautifully. Now let's put it in place. Great. No more dust when it sleeps. If you have a 3D printer, you can buy this cover's STL file on Etsy, and you can print out your own cover to protect your PS5. The link will be in the description.